Hi guys, so in this video we're going to create a roll of monster using a piece of paper, our drawing guide, pencil, Sharpie, and a dice. It's really important on your drawing paper. What I want you to do to start is using your pencil, and very neatly I want you to write your full first name and your full last name. Take your time on this part, make it look really nice. If you go by a nickname, for example, my friends call me Allie, but my real first name is Alexandra, I want you to write your real first name. So take your time. Make this part look really nice. You can see how I made it look nice right in the middle of my page. Now you're going to flip your page over and that will become the back. For your roll of monster, a couple rules that I want you to follow. You're aiming for your monster to pretty much fill your page. So I'm thinking about the size of your hand with your fingers spread out, maybe a little bit bigger. If you go too big, your monster is going to go off the edge of your paper. And if you go too small, you're going to have all of this negative space around your monster, which we don't want. So think pretty big for your monster. Your drawing guide is pretty easy. You're going to start with your body, then eyes, then mouths, then arms, then legs, going down the page. What you roll on the dice is what you're going to draw. So for example, if I roll a 6, 6 for my body is what I'm drawing. When you're rolling your dice, you can shake it in your hand and you're just dropping it on the table. You're not throwing it, and your dice should not be going on the ground. So I'm going to draw my first part of my body, which I landed was a 6. I'm going to use my pencil, work nice and slow, and remember I'm working big for this. So I'm going to just copy on the drawing guide. And it doesn't have to be perfect. If you have little changes from the drawing guide, that's completely fine. What's really cool about this monster is it's going to be a mystery until you complete it. So next is eyes. I'm going to roll my eyes. I got a 2. So my monster is going to have 3 eyes, and I get to pick where these eyeballs go. If you'd like to use the circled stencils or the circle tracers to draw these eyes perfectly, you can. You also could add extra details. So for example, if I want to change up how the eyeballs look or make them look smaller or bigger, it's really up to you. Next is my mouth. I'm going to roll. I got a 1. I'm going to leave my mouth open because we will be using Sharpie to outline this, so I'll color in that when I'm ready for Sharpie. Next is arm. 3. So I got this guy. What's cool about the arms is you can do as many as you want. If you want to do just 1, if you want to do 7, if you want to do 9, it's really up to you how many arms that you want to do. Perfect. So I ended up doing 5 arms. Next is legs. I got a 4. Legs are also the same as arms. If you want to do more than what is normal, you can do more than what is normal. So I'm going to do just 2 because I think it'll fit nicely in the space. Perfect. And now's the chance for you can add any extra details. If you want to give antennas, if you want to add more to the body. We are not going to be coloring these, so if you want to add any designs that will look nice within your monster, do that now. Perfect. So I think I have my monster to a pretty good place. I added a hat in just to make it look a little bit more exciting. If you want to add any human things, you can to your monster. All right, now we're going to trace using just our black Sharpie, and we are only tracing. If you do have a part of your mouth or your design that does need to be filled in black, you can fill that in black. But when you're tracing, really take your time with this because you don't want your black line to go off of your pencil line. I'll let this part fast forward, and so you can see what it looks like when it is done. Perfect. So I have my monster just about done. As one finalized step to make your monster look as good as it can, I want you to take an eraser from your table caddy and erase any pencil lines that you may see. So right here on accident, I accidentally went off my pencil line with my tracing. So very carefully, I'm just going to take my eraser, holding with my helper hand, and just going to clean up all those pencil lines so you can't see them. All right, and my monster is all done. When your monster is all done, please double check to make sure your name is still on the back and hand your monster in to me. And when you hand in your monster, you're going to bring me your dice.